Hello friends, today we will revise the revision of answer in one word for unit 9 and 10 for class 6. Question 1, answer in one word. Which are the driest places on the earth? The answer is the deserts are the driest places on the earth. Which are the driest places on the earth? Answer is the deserts are the driest places on the earth. Second, where did the Gerbils spend the hottest part of the day? Here the question is asked with WH word where. So we write down the name of the place where Gerbils spend the hottest part of the day. Here the correct answer is in cool underground burrows. Which insects catches drop of moisture on their legs? Here the correct answer is darkling beetles. How many kinds of snakes are around the world? Here more than 2,300. What is the maximum length of snakes? Here the maximum length of snakes is 15 centimeters. What is the minimum length of snakes? Here the correct answer is 15 centimeter. And the question number 6, what is the maximum length of snakes? It is more than 11 meters. Where is the rattlesnake found in? Here the correct answer is dry rocky deserts of America. 8 number. How many mongoose are in group of in search of food? About 20 mongoose are in a group when they are going in search of food. Which snakes attacks with lightning speed? Here write down the name of the snake which attacks with a lightning speed. Here a rattlesnake attacks with lightning speed. Dash likes to hunt together. Here the mongoose likes to hunt together. Which animals are famous for killing snakes? Here you write down the name of the animals which are famous for killing the snakes. Here the correct answer is the mongoose. Which animals were first domesticated by man many thousand years ago? Here the correct answer is camels were first domesticated by man many years ago, 1,000 years ago. How many camels are in small groups? Here up to 30 camels are in small group. When the question is asked with WH word how many, you write down the number of the things, animals, birds, etc. How much water can a thirsty camel drink in just 10 minutes? Here 30 gallons of water. Dash acts as storage container for the camel. Here the hump acts as storage container for the camel. The hump contains dash. Here the hump contains fat. Question number 17. Dash that keeps a camel warm in winter. Here the sazy coat that keeps a camel warm in winter. Who has written the banyan tree? That means here you write down the author name who has written the banyan tree. Here Ruskin Bond has written the banyan tree. According to the banyan tree, who did the house belong to? The author's grandparent. Who is the author of the banyan tree? That means Ruskin Bond's grandparents. How old was the grandfather? The grandfather was 65 years old. What did the author build halfway up the tree? A crude platform. 22. Where did the author spend his afternoon? On the crude platform. 23 number. When was the banyan trees full of red figs? In the spring season, during the spring season. Who flocked into the banyan trees' branches? Birds of all kinds flocked into the banyan trees' branches. Where was the banyan tree stood? Where was the banyan tree stand? In the garden. Which was the noisiest places in the garden? Here the banyan tree. How was the author feeling? Here the answer is drowsy. 28 number. Where did mongoose emerge from? From the bushes. How long was the grey mongoose? It was 3 feet. The grey mongoose was 3 feet long. Dash and dash were the combatants. The cobra and the mongoose were the combatants of each other. Who were the spectator other than the author? A myna and a jungle crow were the other spectators than the author. Where did a myna and a jungle crow settle on? On the cactus. 33. Who stood on the offensive? The mongoose stood on the offensive. Whom did the cobra try to mesmerize? Here the mongoose did. The cobra tried to mesmerize the mongoose. Here, who had glassy, unwinkling eyes? The cobras had glassy, unwinkling eyes. 35. Who had got bitten by the cobra? The crow had got bitten by the cobra. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned this revision of the answer in one word very well and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.